Hey guys, Technocraft back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Apple Magic Keyboard. My Dell keyboard broke, so I might as well get the real deal from Apple. So this is the keyboard that I got. It's the standard version, it's not the one with the number pad. This is just the standard keyboard. It's of course wireless. It also has an internal rechargeable battery. So let's take a look around the box. We have Apple, the Apple logo. Apple logo again, nothing on either side. On the bottom, have some of the information, the model number information, and the requirements. So let's go ahead and see if we can open this guy up. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. I love the plastic always on the Apple products. Right, there's the actual box. Let's see if we can slide this out. There's the little sleeve. And look at that, there's the full Apple keyboard. There's a little tab here to pull up. Set this aside and take a look what else is in the box. We have some regulatory information over here. The Apple Magic Keyboard. Looks like it's a quick start guide. The regulatory information and a 1-year limited warranty. A lot of different languages. Now, of course, this doesn't have Apple stickers because this is an accessory, so it doesn't. And lastly, you have the USB to Lightning cable to charge the keyboard up. So that's basically what's in the box. I have a lot of Lightning cables, so I won't be needing that. But let's take a look at the keyboard here. There it is. Let's pull off the plastic. I always love the Apple unboxing experience, but there it is. It's a pretty nice keyboard. It's really nice. Mainly I needed these buttons, because my Mac has those buttons, so. But they took out the USB ports. Oh, there's the Lightning connector and the little transmitter right there. There's the power switch right there. Got Apple on the bottom and some information, and these little rubber stands. It's really useful so it doesn't move around. Let's see if it's got any power. I'll be pairing this in the next video, so. Turns on. Yeah. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing of the Apple Magic Keyboard. Make sure to consider subscribing, check out my other videos, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for my iPods and my other Papercraft videos coming up. Thank you for watching.